Hello and welcome to my friends. Today I am going to tell you how to delete your LinkedIn profile. Before deleting any profile, you have to just click and log into your profile. Just like I have refreshed my page. So you have to log in and just for showing you that I have already logged in my page. So you have to login page and go to here profile section, click on it and you will see my profile. Here is you can click and you will see your profile, so you don't have to see my profile. Just go to account section and go to setting and privacy option and click on it. When we click on it, we will go to the next page. The next page will look like this. This is the next page. We are here. You can see here there is a account preference option. You have to select account preference option and go to down, and here you can see account management option. Click on it and we will go to the next step. After click on account management system, you will see merge account system, hibernate and close. Merge means you have 2 or 3 different accounts you can merge with once, and hibernate means temporary close and close permanent. Click on close permanent for closing your account. Here you can see, so Sunil, we are sorry to see you go. This is a message LinkedIn provided by LinkedIn. There is something written on it. This is your contact. You will be lost your contact when you delete your profile, and you have to tell the reason why are you leaving this. So select one of them. Suppose I click here. You don't need to provide any information about in description. If you select other option, then you have to provide a description why are you leaving this. If we select another option, you don't need to provide any description. Just click on next to hit next page, and this is the last option. Here you have to confirm your identity by inserting your password here. Just unsubscribe and this click here to close account. When we choose here close account, we will go permanently close our account. This is my original profile. I have shown you to delete my profile. Just click my profile. You can delete any profile on LinkedIn. There is no big issue. Just try it yourself. Like and subscribe and comment. Thank you.